Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove background image in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. In this video I will show remove background image. Firstly, insert from image. Going to the insert menu option. Now for click, then click for a picture option. Now find your image. Now select from file. Then select from picture. Now click for insert option. That's it. Now resize your image. This background, remove image. Now going to the background option, remove background. Now click for, then click for a keep change. That it. Then you show remove background image in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.